right here in this box, we have something spectacular. No, not the PlayStations in the back. Actually, in fact, there's a funny story about these PlayStations right here. These PlayStations right here, or should I say the PlayStations that I sold yesterday, actually funded what is inside this box. Those digital versions I sold for $750 and they only cost me $400. I pre-ordered them back in September. Now you already know what's in here because of the title of this video. However, I'm still gonna open it up because I am excited. I am proud. This is the Xbox Series X. This is the first console I've ever bought by myself. You know, the last console I got was the Xbox One, and obviously my parents bought that because I was like, what? I don't know how old I was when I got that, but I did not have any money. Now I'm 17, you know, I'm running my own business, and I finally have enough money to purchase one. So I actually paid a little bit above retail for this. I bought it off of Newegg for, I think, like $600 because it also came with an extra controller, and I had to pay $50 tax because it's California. But here it is. The Xbox Series X. Now this baby is heavy. Wow. Okay. We got all the seals on it. Take these off. All right. And this should just pop open like this. Not sure. Oh, there's another seal. Make sure we get these off. And wow, okay. So opens up like that. What is this? Just some support stuff, talks about the console. Some foam. And I believe this is the mini fridge right here. This baby's heavy. And here we have the mini fridge. Power your dreams. All right. Dope. Baby's upside down. And there we go. Here's the Xbox. The Xbox Series X. Funny thing is, the thing's actually going literally right on top of my mini fridge, so we'll just double up there. That was actually pretty uneventful. Is there anything else in this box? Any codes or anything? It seems like there's something. I think there's more. So, okay, there is, yeah. So this thing just flew out. I believe this is where the controller is going to be, and some like Game Pass codes or stuff. We'll take a look. So you got your power cable, HDMI, and then here's the controller that I'll go ahead and take a look at. It should be pretty much the same as the old Xbox. Batteries, oh, this actually feels nice though. I like it. It's black right there instead of white, but pretty much it looks pretty much the same. The grip feels nice. I'm gonna replace this with my rechargeable batteries. There's an extra button here. I'm not sure what that does, but overall happy with it. And I'm pretty sure that's the same exact one that we got here as well. Anything else in this little package? Got instruction stuff. Ah, damn, I'm pissed it didn't come with like Game Pass codes or something. That would have been cool. But that seems to be pretty much everything that was in the box. Now let's get this baby set up. All right, so I have my old Xbox One X set up right there. We're gonna probably turn this into GameStop for $175 credit. Then from there, we'll just buy, you know, Xbox gift cards and stuff like that. I don't know, I already have a headset. So let's grab, oh, this baby, and we will put it right on top of the mini fridge. Okay. Set that baby up right there. So we'll put the rechargeables that we have from my old Xbox Oh, does that thing not fit? No way. Well, regardless, I accidentally turned it on. I pressed the button and it came on without me even pairing it. But I don't know if I can fit the back on here. Whoa. Okay. So this is the load up. I guess I'll just let it play like that, like it's 2012, you know, recording with the camera on the screen. And here we go, we're finally loaded up. It's got most of the same settings as my old Xbox, I believe. But yeah, we have nothing downloaded. Let's download Cold War. All owned games. So really my only complaint with everything is that it won't let me use my third party, or not really third party, it's still Xbox, backplate on this, because apparently it's different. It's a different, like, I don't know, size or something. So I can still recharge these batteries, you know. It's just not as clean. Doesn't work as smoothly as it did on the other Xbox. But the controller feels nice. They pretty much just said copy and paste with the whole interface and stuff. Like, didn't really change much, but I'm not gonna be running games faster. My camera's about to die. But I'll probably be playing some Cold War tonight once this downloads. I'm just really happy that, I mean, I kind of just impulse bought this, if I'm being honest. I really had no reason to buy this right now. I just kind of did. But if you want to see me play some Cold War, play some Call of Duty, play on this new Xbox Series X, go ahead and follow my Twitch, subscribe to my Twitch. I don't know, I've never streamed on Twitch. I don't even have a Twitch account yet. But by the time this is uploaded, I will have one. It'll probably be twitch.tv/AUTSYN. Yeah, thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. Thank you for joining me in this historic unboxing. And I'm out. Later.